Hey everyone, I'm back and I have blue hair now instead of purple. So, I hope you'll enjoy the new look, and kind of couldn't get all the dye off my skin, so we're going to cover it up with some of my Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Porcelain and a damp beauty sponge. And we're just gonna take appears to be a blockage. Haha. Found the blockage. It happens occasionally. Well, let's start with what's already on the sponge then. Well, looks like that was enough to get my face, but I'm gonna need a little bit more. Just a little bit more to get my neck. Just do one last pass, make sure everything's all blended. Very good. Now today I'm just going to be wearing chapstick, so, which I keep several in my purse with me, so that might change, so I'm just not going to do my lips for this video. So, let me just come in here, grab myself an eyeshadow brush, pull out the eyeliner. Yeah. I'm just doing a really simple look today, so just one brush. This old Urban Decay palette that was gifted to me a while ago. I don't know what it's called. And I'm just going to go into Midnight Cowboy Rides Again. Very sparkly, neutral color. And just pop that on my lip. Just pop that on my lip. And up to the brow bone. Now for a tiny bit of dimension, I'll just go into this one, right above it. YDK. And this outer corner. Increase. And just blend that gently. Just outer corner crease and turn the blend black gently. I can't talk. And then I'm just gonna go in here, grab my other blendy brush. Just right here. And just do a little extra blending. It doesn't look as quite black eye-ish as it does from this angle. It's just lighting and shadows, I swear. Now I'm just gonna take a black angled eyeliner and pop that along my lash line, just very close to the lash line. And just do a little bit on the under eye. And do the same on this side. Love you, babe.
I love you too.
My husband's trying to distract me while I'm doing eyeliner. Which is not great because if you get too distracted, you're gonna poke your eye out. So I recommend you not do eyeliner or mascara in a distracting environment. I have poked my eyes before. It hurts a lot. Now we've got that. Now I'm just going to put some white eyeliner in my inner rims. Now I'm going in with my Peacock Flare Mascara. Seriously, literally anything I use you can substitute for with your favorite one in a similar color or whatever. Or in a different color if that makes you happy. I'm just having fun and I want you to have fun. And doing weird faces because mascara. Oh dear. Not too bad. Not too bad. Now, because I want to have a little sparkle, Moonchild palette. And I'm just going to go with Star today, which is the silvery one. Because I don't give that one near enough love. And then I'm just doing a very light, and now I'm just blending. Now that my mascara's dried a little bit more, I'm just going to take this and comb through it a little bit. And there you have it. Just do lips. I'm just going to do chapstick. And that's it. That's the look. Hope you enjoyed.